Hello, my dearies. How are you all? I am Noni Mehta and I am here to present the March strategy for the CLAT 2025. Come March. And the exam fever is at peak. I do understand you are fretting about your school exams and the stress is too much. I do understand that. But always remember your real aim is CLAT exam. So your focus maybe about your school exams, but it shouldn't be diluted, right? So let's see the strategy which we have to follow so that our aim, we can achieve it effortlessly. It seems like effortlessly. Okay, the CLAT aspirants, we have got two types of CLAT aspirants, droppers and our school going students. So first let's talk about droppers batch. See, droppers, they have got ample amount of time. बहुत time है आपके पास और अब तो February भी नहीं है, ये तो March है, you have got 2 days extra. So yes, so if you have got 2 days extra, so you have to read and read a lot. See, CLAT exam is more about English, okay? So we are dealing with the English strategy, remember. So for the English strategy, remember it's all about reading. The Hindu, the Indian Express. Read as many as editorials as you can, okay? As many as articles which you can read. Absolutely. मतलब उससे आप भाग ही नहीं सकते हैं, ठीक है? Then about the magazines, for example, Outlook, Frontline, whatever, India Today, whichever you like, you have to read. Current Affairs magazine, any magazine, whichever you feel like, as far as it is all about English, ठीक है? तो English से related है, तो good. All right, so magazines hai, newspapers hai, of course novels, fiction, non-fiction, self-improvement books, whatever you feel like, but read. See, I have got two suggestions for you as far as novels are concerned. See, number one novel which I would like to suggest, which is a very good one, the story is really good, really captivating, that is The Fury. Okay, it is written by Alex Michaelides, okay, and the story is all about, it's a murder mystery, it's a paced thriller. See, the plot is fabulous and the ending is outstanding in this novel. So my suggestion is to read it, definitely. Okay, and the next suggestion would like to suggest you The Women. Okay, this novel, definitely as the name suggests, it's about a woman. So a well-read story, a courageous story about a woman and a bold patriotism. So it's all about that and a very nice story. Okay? So you will also like this one. And it's written by Christine Hanna. So these two suggestions, I can say that. But if you want to read some other self-improvement books or any other novels, it's up to you, right? And the reviews are also good of these two books. And then I'll tell you, go through the websites, the Philosophy Now, Aeon, the Scientific American, all these websites, read the editions of Reader's Digest. It's a very good. And a Reader's Digest, so matlab I keep on suggesting you in every strategy or in every month, okay? So yes, Philosophy Now, Aeon, which you have to, and watch good YouTube channels, good content channels, and TED Talks, which I keep on recommending that. So droppers, you have to be really active. Understand that. ठीक है, जितना टाइम है उसको पूरा का पूरा आप स्क्वीज आउट कर लीजिए, पूरा उसका एक्सट्रैक्ट निकाल लीजिए, बिल्कुल, ठीक है. सो CLAT NLUs, you have to crack that, ठीक है. तो प्लीज़ 31 डेज है हमारे पास, ठीक है. तो उसके अंदर नाउ कम टू द RCs, क्योंकि इंग्लिश तो RCs पे है. RCs 15 questions each of tone based questions, inference based questions, you have to solve it, okay, and 15 poetic devices questions which you have to solve it, okay, literary devices, poetic devices. And next 7 complete mock tests. February में मैंने बोला था 6 mock tests complete. Okay, now here 7 complete mock tests because 2 days extra हो रहे हैं, ठीक है. Extra तो मतलब normal है, but of course more than February. All right, and of course main thing is analysis. All right, so analysis, so you have to do it. Without that, mock test is incomplete. You're just giving the mock test, it's just nothing. So analysis is the integral part of any mock test, right? So that's the strategy which you have to apply, okay, as you can see here for the droppers. Next, about the school going students, okay. School going students, my dear lovelies, I know you are in dilemma what to do. In fact, thoda subject se bhi pareshan ho chuki ho, school subjects se, and some of you want to get back to your that regular CLAT preparation. I do understand that, but of course school exams, they are the priority, okay. So you need to score good, you need to score good for your own confidence, okay, right? So yes, the main focus is that, but reading, which is actually the essential part of this CLAT exam. Read at least 45 minutes to 1 hour a day, and all. In fact, reading newspapers is the best thing which I would recommend. But if you want to read novels, you like it, I've already suggested for the droppers batch, that is the Fury, the Women, so you can read that also, okay, whichever you like. Any self improvement book would really help you in this time, because school exams are going on. So stress relief wala, that kind of book would really help you. But 45 minutes editorial of the Hindu or the Indian Express, they are the best newspapers, okay. And stay away from social networking sites. You need to stay away from social networking sites. मतलब कुछ नहीं है, इंस्टाग्राम वगैरह ठीक है, यूट्यूब चैनल्स फॉर योर सब्जेक्ट्स, दैट्स गुड, but I won't recommend this social networking sites, okay. Okay, right. So as I've said it, droppers, come on, buckle up your shoes, right? It's March now. तो जैसे जैसे months बीत रहे हैं, और you have to be on your toes now. But school going students, this month also, exams. From the next month, you also have to just pace up. So I hope you would like these strategies and you would implement it for your own benefit, right? Thank you so much for watching.